done stand-up before?
March to the land!
So allow me to sit down. Alright, I have notes, because I've never done this before. I gotta find it. A little nervous, so give me a break. Alright. Dyslexic man walks into a bra. Think about it. Come on, think about it. Alright, I'm going to talk about people on the train.
Yes, finally.
Alright, there are... as you all take the train, right? At least most of us do, right? Okay. So, there are the people that are the rubbers. They're the ones who get like really close and they're just kind of rubbing on you. There are the blockers where the door's like right here and they just stand there and don't let anybody on. You gotta, excuse me, like. And then there are the mobbers, which are the people that are trying to get on the train but won't let anyone off. So you're trying to get off the train, but they're all like, "Can I get on the train?" Most important thing in the world for them to do, ever. It's like Walmart on Black Friday. All right, moving on. Did you guys ever lose your socks in the dryer?
All the time,
Yeah.
Mike.
What makes you think you didn't lose them in the washing machine? No? What if the dryer is actually giving you an extra sock? All right. I'm gonna talk about one of my friends here. He's my neighbor, and he's a big conservative, which I don't have a problem with, but he's a little extreme. So this was a couple of years ago. It's like 4 years ago now, right? Obama gets elected. Me and my buddy went out to the bar that night. We're like hanging out. We move on to a party, come back to the bar. It's like 4 o'clock, and my neighbor is at the bar with his head on the bar crying. So the bartender's like, "You want to take him home?" It's like, all right. So we're like walking him home, and he's screaming down the streets. It's 4 a.m. He's just yelling. He's kicking garbage cans and stuff. So this cop rolls up. He's like, "What the fuck are you guys doing?" And I'm like, "Sorry, my friend here's a little upset that McCain lost the election." McCain. And the cop goes, "Well, aren't we all?" Good night, officer. All right. Does anybody here like karaoke?
Yeah, woo!
All right, we got one. We got a couple back there. Karaoke's a lot of fun. I love going karaoke because I'm a horrible singer. So I always try to get my friends to come out karaoke. Last week, we went into the city and we did karaoke. It was a great time. But there's always those certain people at karaoke bars that you're going to see. There's always the girl who thinks she's going to get discovered singing at a karaoke bar. So you have everybody like singing these ridiculous songs like "Wind Beneath My Wings" and like all this crazy shit. But then you have that one girl who goes every like 3 songs. It's like, "All by myself." And she's like really belting it in a karaoke bar at 3 o'clock on a Tuesday. Anyway, we do karaoke. I'm with a friend. We're looking for food. It's like 3 a.m., 2:30. So we're going around, we're hopping around. We're not really feeling anything, so we take the train back to here, Astoria. But we take the 7 from Times Square. We're like, oh, we'll switch at Queensboro. No problem. We'll get to see the graffiti, graffiti over there.
Yeah.
It's a great spot. So we're taking the train back, we're looking at the graffiti, we're like, all right, we're pulling in. There's the queue, all set. So we're rolling up, we're just kind of talking. The train stops, we look up, we try to get out of the train. There's like all these people blocking the door at 3 a.m. The blockers are there, blocking and pushing on. That's really all I got. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.